Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my current favorite dessert, and that is peanut butter soft serve ice cream. This peanut butter soft serve ice cream is so easy to make, only requires a few ingredients and is so tasty. So without further ado, let's get into this recipe. Alright, to start off, we're going to layer our ice cream with our liquid ingredients. So here I've got around 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Now to make this vegan, I'm adding maple syrup. Next I've got around half a cup of milk, but I'm not going to add everything, I'm just going to add a splash. And if you need more later, then you can add some more. Add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Now this is going to give us a lovely taste and is the main flavor for this ice cream. 5 to 6 almond cubes. Now if you don't know what almond cubes are, it is almond milk in ice cube trays that are frozen for a few hours, and if you take them out they look like this. And the reason why we're adding this is so that when we taste our ice cream it won't taste too much like bananas, so just this will help the flavor. And here add 3.5 frozen bananas. And now let's blend. Right, I've got an ice cream scoop with me. You can use a spoon if you want to. Alright, let's try this soft serve ice cream. It is looking so nice and it's melting already, but that shows that it's a great soft serve and it's going to be delicious. This is irresistible. This is just truly amazing. You have to make this. This is so good. Just look at this texture. Wow, the best. It looks store-bought, but it's not. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video and would like to see any more recipes from me, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Alright then friends, bye! I better start eating this before it starts to melt.